Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to this channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2008 Toyota Corolla. Right now, the car is having issue with the AC. So I'm gonna turn on the AC, and there's nothing coming out. No air at all, nothing. I'm trying to switch it to feet. Base, nothing work. On high, nothing work. On low too, nothing work. Check the button. AC button don't work. This one work. That one work. Now I'm gonna show you how to check it. I'm on the driver's side. This is the fuse box for the AC, the 10 amp AC right here. Now you can see this is the cover. It says 10 amp AC. And even on my diagram too, it says 10 amp AC right there on the left side of the dash. Now, if you go under, I'm going to show you. If you go under this fuse right here, is the 10 amp, and one of this is the 40 amps heater fuse. You can see on my diagram right there. Now the 40 amps right here, and then the 10 amps is right next to it. 10 amps. Now to get access to the blower motor, you're gonna have to remove the computer right here. It's located under the glove box. Now once you remove the computer, you can get access to the blower motor and the blower motor resistor right there. But this owner, he replaced the blower motor already. It's new. You can see it's very clean. It's new, and the resistor also. But the AC is still not working. Now the problem is you gotta check the fuse, the power and ground, and the relay. Since I'm here checking the blower motor, I'm gonna check it manually by myself. Even though it's new, I still have to check it, make sure it's not defected. So right now I'm gonna put power in, and you're gonna hear the fan blow. So there you go. I put power in, and you can hear the fan is spinning. So the fan is working when I put power into it. Now you gotta check for power and ground. For my diagram here, if you want to check for fuse, heater fuse 40 amps right there, and the AC fuse 10 amps, that's on the driver's side. I already checked it. So a quick explanation here for you guys to see. The next step I'm going to be checking is the heater relay right there, which is controlling the blower motor. Now you can see this is the AC control unit. So when I switch the setting, it should control the blower motor, but it has to get some power from the fuse first, and then it goes to the relay, and then power can get to the blower motor. Now most of the time people only show the fuse and the relay on the driver's side and the engine bay, but there's one more relay which is located right next to the passenger side airbag. So I took out the glove box. It sits right up here at this spot right here, and this is the heater relay right here. And I checked it out. I already know the problem is completely burnt. Take it out for you to see. Here you can see the heater relay. You can see the one of the terminal right here is completely burnt out, and it melted the plastic piece right here. You can see that's why it's not getting the power. Let me show you to check for power at the blower motor connector. So I have the key on, my switch to high, and then I plug my this is the bad relay. Okay, so I plugged it back in to show you this is how you check for power. Now with the bad relay, there's no power and ground. I mean, there's no power. They're both ground. You can see one of them is ground, and then the other one is ground. It's supposed to be one ground, one power, but they're both ground due to the bad heater relay, because it's burnt out already. You can see the inside is completely burnt. I looked it up on the Wolfpack on the website right here. It's called the heater blower motor relay, and price, I'll show you the price right there. List price is 82. I buy it for 13. So Denso original. I bought my new heater relay right here. Denso original. That's the part number. And you can see all the terminal is new, clean, good. And the old one, you can see completely burnt. Now I'm gonna plug into my there you go, plug my new one in. I'm gonna turn on the car, it should work. Oh, there you go. You can, there you go, the blow motor's working now. So that's good. This is on high, try it on medium. Off, yes, it's off. Low, it's on low, that's good. You can see the AC button's working again. AC max, it's cool too, that's good. Now just to show you, since I put in the new relay, I'm gonna touch the connector, and one side should have power for you to see. Before it was ground only. There you go, you can see it's power, that's good. And that's it, just go ahead and put everything back. Most of the time for the Toyota, the fuse and the relay do go out a lot, but in your case, if you replace the blow motor already, the resistor already, and you check all the fuse and the relay, everything is good, but it's still not working, check the heater relay. And this is located where the airbag is, so once you lower this, you can get access to this. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.